This is where you sleep. Take it away from Big Moss. Timberly.
He is crying. He is laughing so hard.
He's backstage. You ever seen Deal with the Bob? Do that? Yeah, you do. He does. He's that steady. Everybody else is busy. Can you pull slowly and straight on my feet? Okay? He's 80 pounds. Still borderline.
Oh, goodness. Phew. Oh, it's hard, I know.
Darkness Wednesday. I got the district. Be ready to push floats. All right. Congratulations. You just rocked your
Crazy.
You're coughing too. Oh, we're coughing too.
Keaton and Cooler in surgery. He's dealing with a camber.
You're so funny. Whose boy are you? Are you Daddy's boy?
Yep.
Psst, psst. Oh, you're so sweet.